so good, the bell pepper and also big. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you about how to root bell pepper and also big. So I have 3 bell pepper and also big like this. So if you guys want to know the way of root it, so please watch my video until the end. And if you guys think that my channel are necessary to you, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So now cook with me. This our beak, so now we start to cut our beak like this. So now we start to add soup salt on it. We add soup salt to be salty a bit. This our bell pepper, we cut it like this. Cut it and take the inside of it out. This our bell pepper, so now we start to add wick on bell pepper. Put it like this, and then close it. So now we start to roast on and burn it. I really hungry. So now after 30 minutes ago, our beef maybe it already cooked. So I get it out the fire. It smells so good, but we do not know yet about its taste. It smells so good, I cannot wait for it taste. Wow. It looks like so yummy. One more. Wow. Wow. Let me taste it. It's so good, taste. It's really yummy. Wow. This food I recommend for some people who like to go in forest and also who like camping. It is the most popular food for those people. Good. Why it's yummy like this? Wow, it is amazing taste and it is really yummy. Good. The best food and the best taste. It really easy to cook and also it is yummy too. So now it is just my tasting and I think it is time to say goodbye. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about amazing food like this. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.